In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Cash App account on PC in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Cash App. You can launch this app from BlueStack. Here we go. Firstly, you wanna download BlueStack and then you can easily launch Cash App from it. Now select the Cash App. Over here you have to enter your phone number or email address. Here I will be entering email, so click on the option use email and then enter your email over here. Now click on next. Now you have to enter the code over here that is sent to your email. Just open your email, refresh it. You can see that it has sent the email. Now you have to put this code over here. And then click on next. You can see that I have logged into Cash App account. In this way, you can easily log into Cash App account on PC. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.